and Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ellis County and north central Texas, northeastern Johnson County and north central Texas until 8:30 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 13 miles north of Burleson, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Burleson around 7:40 p.m., Alvarado around 8:10 p.m., Venus and Midlothian around 8:15 p.m., Maple around 8:30 p.m. This will impact the following interstates: Interstate 35 west between mile markers 21 and 40, Interstate 35 east between mile markers 397 and 401. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.